National Vice President ka NPP ubadairu usumbut Menteri Rangba kejela ubak Sniawbhalang dhar haka pratrik jemang ulaong baka parti kan trei shitom ban pentikna ya ke jingjop don burom jong Dr Nonglait haka election shiteng samoy jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha da ke bakot ya uni Presiden ka Khasi Authors Society KAS ka khmat thamai bom don kanu ke jing persya na upai ba. Habakali halor ke jingbun Krishan jong kipai ba ya ke NPP uba Sniawbhalang ulaong ngamtip la ka don ni kamdon ngin ya pej namar ngi hab ban trei shitom ban pynjop yu kani kadi ke jingkut jingbut ke baskham la kaliang ka parti ula benram nalor kani hooj phila yo sngo ye ke jingkran jong udai uba shisha ula bata ye ki daw balai urung sha ka jeli sain perthei namar udai ke dur khmat thamai ber ukurtong thamai nga tharai kan omdon kanu ke jing persya ya shimet Lada don kinu ki jingduna hangne hangtai na ka parti ngatharai nginla ban penbet. Habakali halor ka election assembly arhajar arhupra. Udhar ulaong ba ka NPP ka don ya ka jingsung scam bahkan yo ya ka jingbun pan. Hau arhajar arhupra ngatharai ngin yo ya ka jingbun pan. Bali nga ong kumta kalong namar shibun ki kam kilayay hakeleng kejela katba ngadang keren. Hooj kan don ka jingele henry nginyale ban yo ya number ulaong. Habakali halor ka VPP lembat ki weipat ki seng sain perthai ulaong. Ngim don jing khuslai ka VPP ka don, ka Kongres ka don, ka UDP ka don, bat ka NPP ru ka don. Bat ki paj ba menta ki lasaki, ya ki babun ki kam ki balaja hakini ki prasnem baladep. Ki paj ba ka jela ki tip shano ban vote, bat yano ban vote.
Yesterday we have announced officially our candidates who will be going to contest for this MP by-election. So simple is that. Yesterday we have decided officially, you have witnessed it also. So simple is that from the party we will work hard to make him win. You see that is once announced, there is so many views from different sections of society, no problem in that. So I request you to help us to make him win. No, at the end committee, I don't know very much there or is there. Let us see, because we have to work hard to make him win. That is the commitment from the party side. And moreover, yes, you have heard from his speeches was very, very genuine. So exactly what he means, what he interpreted, yes, they explained properly, and which is very, very good from his speech. So I think make sure also, since it's a fresh, new candidate, so I think maybe anti-incumbency personally to him maybe is zero. So if there is any lapses here and there made from the party, so I think we'll be able to make it up. No, I think next on 20, I think we will be able to win solid majority. And why I say that, because lots of work has been happening on the ground as I speak.
But the examples are differing.
Yes, obviously fighting is there. Fighting is there, but we have to manage, we have to get numbers.
So there is one factor is VPP. So how will you tackle?
No problem, VP is there, Congress is there, UDP is there, NPP is there. And people saw, people witness now. Lots of work has been happened during at least this last 8 years. And the people of the state now have seen they are very, very clever and they know who to vote, where to vote.